Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com. I just got a happy little box from the Washi Tape shop. Let's see what's inside. All right, it is always exciting to get a new shipment from the Washi Tape shop. I still remember when I found out that there was a store called the Washi Tape shop, I quickly became obsessed because you guys, it's just the most beautiful washi tape. It is so gorgeous. It's really good quality. They have some different types of washi tape that I had never heard of before. Look at these. And it's just kind of a like upscale take on some of the washi tape that I feel like we have come to know and love. So I'm excited to do the unboxing for you. I will end up linking all of the products that I unboxed down in the description box below. It looks like there's like some gorgeous florals. There's a lot of beautiful florals this time around, you guys. So that's going to be fun. I do have a discount code with the Washi Tape shop. So I will pop that up on screen and I will link it down in the description box to save you a little bit of extra on your order. And I also have that affiliate link down in the description box for if you decide to check these out. But these are just so beautiful. And I happen to think they just work so well in your journaling and in your planning. So let's start unboxing. All right, so obviously there are a lot of florals in this particular set from the Washi Tape shop. So let's kind of unwrap them. I do like how they come wrapped because I feel like it just gives you, it feels like opening a present in all honesty. All right, let me get this one going and then we'll unravel it. All right, here's the first set of florals. I'm trying to see, I don't think these are individual stickers. I think this is one big strip of washi tape. Sometimes it can be hard to tell, but so big and bold and beautiful. Look at that. And this, it might be hard to tell. It has like a sheen and a texture to it, which I think is so cool. So what I often do is cut off pieces of these florals to include on spreads, just kind of cut them apart. They still kind of melt into the background because it is a regular washi tape in the background. So it still melts onto your page, but it is so, so, so pretty. So here is the first one. This one is called Pretty Florals. Pretty Florals. So bright and so gorgeous. All right, next up, this one is Dusty Blue and Cinnamon. Dusty Blue and Cinnamon. Let me open this up for you and then we'll check it out. All right, this one has all of these gorgeous neutrals. Same thing, it's kind of your typical washi tape, so it will melt into the background just beautifully. And it's just this pretty texture. I love how they did that. I love how it has like a little bit of a shine. I think that is so cool. And the shine is only on the florals, not on the washi tape on the background, which is cool. Dusty Rose and Cinnamon. Next up, we have Winter Romance. Let's check this one out. These are some gorgeous deep blues. Oh, it's so pretty. And then the little berries, like the pops of the holly berries. I like the feather edition too. That is really pretty and it goes a long time. I'm trying to find the repeat. Maybe right, I don't know. That's a lot of different images that you get, you guys. This is a beautiful set. I love how many different images you get. This is a long time before I'm seeing a repeat. Maybe you guys are seeing the repeat before me, but that is absolutely gorgeous. So, so pretty with those winter florals. These are some pretty. If you love florals, oh my goodness, these are gorgeous. Okay, next up, this one has some feathers too. This one is called Sunflower in Navy Wide Washi Tape. All right, this one is definitely, yeah, this one definitely gives me the summer feels. I love that navy blue mixed into there. And then that's a beautiful yellow feel. These are so, it's just to see such beautiful artistic detail in washi tape is something that I'm just not used to seeing. And there's just so many ways that you can include, you can, do a wide strip, certainly on journaling pages, things like that, but you can cut these images out without having to like fussy cut them out because they're on washi tape. They've figured out a way to print so vibrantly on this washi tape, and that texture is just, it's beyond. It's so, so pretty. This one is called Poinsettia. So we're going to have like a Christmas feel. Oh yeah, these are gorgeous. Oh, look at the hand drawn. Oh, I love it. I love the mix of like the sketch with some of the white poinsettias in there. And then the reds as well. Those are so pretty, but look how far you go. Like we still haven't had, I'm looking for a repeat of this wreath. And there it is. So you guys, it's like 2 feet before you repeat. So you get so many different images, which is awesome because then you can really create a full, different, unique spread. It's hard when you have the same flowers that you have to repeat over and over in a spread and you don't have them in different arrangements and everything, but getting so many different takes, like positionings and groupings and clusters of the florals is really, really nice. And it kind of allows you to have a little bit more creativity in what you're doing. This one, Autumn Rose, I was about to say, this one definitely feels autumn-y. Autumn Rose Wide Washi. Okay. All right, I love the seasonal floral feel. Oh, look at that. That's so pretty. And then the pumpkins, you guys. Let me find the pumpkin. Look at the pumpkins. I'm obsessed. This one's my favorite so far. Those are beautiful colors. And again, the shine, the texture, those are stunning. Stunning. I love that peach in there. I think that's so gorgeous. Okay, the autumn one is my favorite so far. That one will definitely be making an appearance in my journaling. And just because it says autumn doesn't mean you only get to use it in autumn. You can use it all year round because florals are beautiful all of the time. All right, Copper Wide Washi Tape. This one is coppery. So again, this one might have a little bit of an autumn feel. Oh, it's so pretty. Let's get it open. Yes, so pretty. I don't think that this one has to just be autumn because I think those yellows and oranges can definitely go into spring. Oh, you guys, it's so gorgeous. I love that they sent me the washi tape this time. They also have PET tape as well, which is a great option because it's really bright and vivid as well. For me, I tend to like some of the washi tape versions just because it melts into the page because these aren't individually cut. If they were individually cut stickers, the PET works really well. It kind of just depends on your preference. Fall flowers. So a lot of seasonal florals this time around. Something to check out and kind of collect. So you just have it in your stash. These are beautiful. Let's open them up. Beautiful. Yeah, see, I don't feel like these would be fall. I know there's a little bit of brown, but these could totally be used like right now. Oh, look at that border. That's gorgeous. And then I love the circles. Gorgeous clusters, and then individual pieces that you can create your own clusters with. I love these. And there you start to repeat. Oh my goodness. It's so much, you guys, before it repeats. That is astonishing. That is a lot of artwork. They've done such a great job creating a mix of like pieces that you can cut out and use to create your own clusters, like smaller pieces, and then they already did some of the clustering for you. So that is super cool as well. Those are super fun. Love, love, love all of those seasonal florals. And then I got 2 different sets. This one is called Vintage Botanicals Washi Tape. Vintage Botanicals. Let's see what this one looks like. Okay, Vintage Botanicals came with 3 different tapes. These are a full washi tape. You get these gorgeous, gorgeous birds. Those are beautiful. And they have like a gold foil to them, like outline. I hope you can see that on camera. That is beautiful and delicate and artistic. I love that. So you have the beautiful birds. And then these are all have gold foil detail, and just the artistic detail in some of these is so soft and beautiful. Look at all of those. So it seems like it repeats starting right here. So it's a little bit of a shorter line than we were seeing in some of the other florals, but I love how you can mix and match these in. That it's a gold foiling, but it's a really delicate outline to most of them. And then here's a little bit bigger pieces. Same thing. It's that really cool, soft, skinny outline that gives it the vintage feel. If you are into junk journaling, these would be gorgeous additions to vintage papers and things that you're using in your journaling. Totally dig that. And then the last set that I got is called Baking, Gardening, Embroidery, Washi Tape. So this is like your hobby washi tape. Let's see what it looks like once we get it open. Okay, let's check these out. I think these are individual stickers. So let me show you how that's different. On these, you pull off the individual sticker. It's still washi tape, so it's still going to be really thin, not add a lot of bulk to anything you're adding it to. But it's just a little bit easier because they're pre-cut, and these are, oh, are these individual stickers too? On the, oh, these are too. Oh my goodness, are all of these? That's amazing. All of these are. Oh my goodness, I love it when they're pre-cut like that. It's so, so cool. But look at, see how cute that is? This one's got like all the berries. This is the baking one. You have that sweet girl. All of the different, look at lots of different choices there. That is adorable. She is adorable. I love that. I love that. That one is super cute. So you have the baking girl, and then this one, I think she's gardening. Let's see. Yep. Again, these are all individual stickers. Love. How cute is this for the springtime? These girls are adorable too. Oh my goodness. I love them. And then this girl, she is sewing up a storm. Oh, look at the vintage sewing machine. Stop it. She is sewing and she is embroidering her best life. I love that. And it's purple. Okay, she might be my favorite because also how cute is her glasses? Like those are so cute. I love the little girls. Love to be able to make a scene. Super excited that the two sets came. These are actually individual washi stickers, which are even easier to use. These florals, though, are just, they're so pretty. They're so good. There's so many great, great, great artwork. There's so much great artwork done. So if you haven't checked out the Washi Tape shop, head on over. They have a huge selection. There are so many different types of washi tape for so many different types of tastes, and it's really high quality. It's good quality washi tape. You won't regret it. It lasts. It's just, it's vibrant. It's beautiful. Check out the Washi Tape shop. Let me know down in the comments below, what set was your favorite? Were you into all of the seasonal florals? Did you like the vintage? Did you like my little hobby girls over here? Let me know. I would love to hear from you in the comments below. Like I said, I do have that code for the Washi Tape shop, so check that out. And I have an affiliate link down in the description box. If you end up deciding to shop, I would really appreciate it if you would use that link. I want to give a huge shout out to all of my Patreon members. Thank you all so much for all of your support. You are just the best, and we're having a fun time over on Patreon. If you want to check out what is happening over there in our crazy fun community, then there is a link for Patreon in the description box as well. All right. I hope that you have a fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.